Panood niyo ba itong ongoing feud? Speaking of feuds, di ba? Dami nagawa yan this weekend and last week towards the end of the week. Medyo nagkasagutan yata si Baste Duterte at si General Torre. Nabalitaan niyo ba 'yon? May shot yata tayo panoorin natin.
Rewind lang ng konti sa termino naman ng tatay niya kung sino unang chief PNP. The first chief PNP of his father is a 1-star na naging automatic 4-star. Did he ask that? Did he question that?
Okay, kasi ang naging issue dito, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, para may konting konteksto, humirit si Baste Duterte na bakit naman inappoint si General Torre being Chief PNP. Nilaktawan yung mga ibang officers, breach of tradition daw. He is not ranking senior general. At ang sagot naman ni